All right, if you're new to Adventures in Reach, I do videos about expanding what adventures are possible for you, the tips to help make the same adventures you see on this channel happen for you, and increasing your confidence outdoors. So I have heard the concern before of like, what if you fall off? You know, what if you're using a cleat and you fall off your boat? Well, let's just test it and see what happens. So I'm gonna cleat it off, get it going, jump off, and see what happens. There is another sunfish out here, and I have a pretty good idea what'll happen, so stick with me. If you're interested in this, don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, check the links, all that stuff. Enjoy! Doesn't take long for it to turn. I'm not sure if it'll happen every time, but wouldn't be too nervous. However, I would be concerned if you're using a tiller tamer or a bungee cord on your tiller or something. Don't let go. All right, the question I have now is, what would happen if you do that same thing going downwind? I'm guessing it'll just take a little longer, but let's see. Oh, it's fun to test these things out. Alright, so if I just let go,